So we're going to prepare at home for now. So he gets to hang out with Mom. All right, cool. So there we go. Oh, and one more thing. So we use...
sometimes I have to go with my mom and my brother to school.
Sometimes. Hi, Amy. How are you doing this morning? So for the topping for this, I know you guys are probably curious what we put on it.
Hi, Kason.
Hi, Kason. Oh, you saying hi to your cousin Kason? That's awesome. We use the Lakanto maple flavored syrup. It's sugar. It's sweetened with monk fruit sweetener. So. Good morning, everybody. I hope you're having an awesome Monday. I'm excited to get this week started and get things on the road, get going. So let me know if you're catching this live, drop a 1. If you're catching it live, drop a 2. If you're catching the replay, and drop a... so we can connect with you. So today I'm making a super easy keto pancake meal, but I wanted to give you a little keto family tip of the day first. So this morning we woke up, we just got back from fall break. It was a hectic Monday. I'm sure you guys can relate. If you can relate to hectic Mondays, raise your hand in the comments. So I'm actually getting a little more time. Not everybody has the time to do this every day, so it's about making better choices. That's my tip of the day. My son that was going to school, he had some boiled eggs and some fruit for breakfast with ketones. And I actually, every day I do intermittent fasting. Sometimes I'll have coffee with keto cream and then a little bit of ketones in that. Which intermittent fasting, so I would eat my last meal the previous night at like 6 or 7. Typically I try not to eat later than that. And then on to the next day I'll have my fat coffee or ketones, and I won't have my first meal until 12 or 1. So anyway, tip of the day, make the best choices for your family based on your time, your convenience, and money. I mean, let's be realistic. If you're in a hurry, these paleo pancakes are a decent option. Not the best option. They're more of a low carb. But like I said, I don't typically eat these. My kiddos do if we're in a hurry to get some breakfast on the table. You can see the carb count in here is 16 grams with 5 fiber. So it's actually about 11 grams. And the serving size is 2 to 3 pancakes. So that's our decent option if we're in a rush. But today we're not, so I'm going to make some keto pancakes and drop the recipe in the comments when I'm finished. All right, let's get started. This recipe calls for a ½ cup of almond flour, which I've already measured out. I do use the blanched almond flour. Super fine. I don't like the other texture of... oh, I can't think of it at the moment, but not blanched. This is my favorite, not necessarily this brand, but the fine blanched almond flour. It just doesn't have the texture of the other kind. So it calls for ½ cup of that. And these actually don't really take that long. So even if you are in a hurry, you can probably toss them together. And then it calls for 4 eggs. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully you're excited for Monday, ready to rock it, and not dreading your day. And that makes 4. Oh, and that's one thing. Dylan, can you turn that down a little? That's one thing I've noticed. I have eaten these paleo pancakes, and they're not bad. They're sweetened with stevia. But they are really eggy tasting to me, so I don't really prefer them. Again, I'll probably just intermittent fast rather than having those unless we're making the real deal here. And so I did 4 eggs. Then it calls for 4 ounces of cream cheese, and I just stuck it in the microwave for a few seconds to soften it, because you do want it to be soft. You're going to be mixing these up. All right, there's that. And it didn't call for this, but I wanted to add it in there. A little bit of vanilla. I'm just going to put a half a teaspoon. I like to add that in our French toast too. And let me not forget anything. Oh, with my cream cheese, I actually have the Philadelphia brand this time, but it is important to flip over and check the back label. This one has less than 1 gram of carbs, but I typically go with the Sprouts brand because it has the no RSBT growth hormone in it, and I also go for the full fat version. What am I forgetting? Okay, and then this is something new I'm trying. I found this at Sprouts too. It's a whey protein, and it has in the whole packet 4 grams of carbs. So I'm not going to use the whole packet, but I am going to use a couple of teaspoons. And it's vanilla flavored. It's not the best by itself, but if you want to get a little extra protein in your pancakes, it's a good thing to add. And then I'm just going to use my spoon. I might need a whisk. Got it standing by. If you guys think you might make these keto pancakes, drop a pancake emoji in the comments. All right. That's totally not mixed. I'm not done. I'm going to use my whisk instead. This little Pampered Chef bowl is my favorite. I've had it for years. It has a little pour spout to it, and I use it for everything. It can actually go in the oven. If you love Pampered Chef, this is not a plug for Pampered Chef, but raise your hand in the comments if you do. It's thebomb.com. I use this thing for everything. One more. Now that actually looks like a pancake batter, as opposed to the paleo mix that I showed. It just doesn't, it even smells eggy. If you've tried that brand, let me know in the comments. Okay, so this is gonna mix. And now I'm gonna toss it in the skillet. It's almost done, baby. You're doing it. Dylan says he's doing the video. Well, I didn't show my face this morning because I haven't fixed my hair yet. So, you know. And then I'm going to use some grass-fed butter. I'll move you guys over so you can actually see what's happening here. Toss it in. And he's been waiting on his pancakes patiently while I prepared for the video. All right, buddy, you want to say hello? You can just say hi. They can't see you, but you can talk to them.
Hi.
That's Dylan. He's chilling out with me this morning. We're getting ready to start some school stuff. He'll go to kindergarten next year, but we're going to prepare at home for now because he gets to hang out with Mom. All right, cool. So there we go. Oh, and one more thing. So we use.
Sometimes I get to. I have to go on. I have to go with my mom and my brother to school.
Sometimes. Hi, Amy. How are you doing this morning? So for the topping for this, I know you guys are probably curious what we put on it.
Hi, Kason.
Hi, Kason. Oh, you saying hi to your cousin Kason? That's awesome. We use the Lakanto maple flavored syrup. It's sugar. It's sweetened with monk fruit sweetener, so low glycemic, 0 aftertaste. I love this stuff because it doesn't have a bad aftertaste.
And
it tastes.
It's keto syrup.
Here, hold on. Let me. See you later.